Good morning, students. How are you? And welcome to yet another class of English. And I hope you all are doing great. As you all know that in a previous class, we were doing the chapter The Greeners Tomorrow. And उसमें हमने कुछ part finish कर लिया था. And the remaining we are going to finish in today's class. So we are going to start with the point you can see. यहाँ पे एक darkened सा आपको एक box दिख रहा है. Till this point we had done. उसमें हमने ये पढ़ा था that the grandmother says that she helped her father in planting the trees with more greater enthusiasm. And now what we are going to do is we are going to start with this point. यहाँ से ठीक है. So one day the trees will move again, he said, and they have been standing still for thousands of years, but one day they will move again. And there was a time when trees could walk about like people. Then along came a terrible demon and cast a spell over them, rooting them to one place, but they are always trying to move. See how they reach out with their arms. अब उन्होंने बोला that one day trees जो है एक दिन फिर से मूव करेंगे. उन्होंने बोला ऐसा कहा जाता है अर्ली टाइम में ट्रीज मूव करते थे. एक दिन एक डेमोन आया वहां पे एंड ट्रीज भी पीपल के जैसे वॉक करती थी. ठीक है. बट वन डे एक डेमोन आया और उसने एक स्पेल कास्ट कर दिया और ट्रीज को एक ही प्लेस पे रूट कर दिया. उसके बाद से ऐसा होने लगा कि अब जहां पे रूट्स जहां पे आप ट्री को प्लांट करते हो वो वहीं पे रहता है. उसकी ब्रांचेस मूव करने की कोशिश करती है. आप देखते हो कि उसकी ब्रांचेस आर्म्स की तरह स्प्रेड होने की कोशिश करती है. दे रीच आउट विद देयर आर्म्स but they are not able to move. They are root fixed at a point where they are planted. तो ये एक फर्क होता है उसमें. On one of our walks along the river banks, about a mile upstream from here, we found an island, a small rocky island in the middle of the riverbed. You know what this riverbed is like? Dry during summers, but flooded during the monsoons. A young tamarind tree was growing in the middle of the island, and my father said, if a tamarind can grow here, so can other trees. And she says, एक बार हम अपनी वॉक्स पे थे along the river bank, a mile upstream from here, और हमें एक आइलैंड मिला. एक छोटा सा रॉकी आइलैंड था in the middle of the river bed. And you know what river bed कैसा होता है? ड्राई होता है summers में और monsoons में it's flooded. एक यंग टैमराइंड ट्री ग्रो कर रहा था इन द मिडिल ऑफ द आइलैंड एंड मेरे फादर ने बोला इफ यहाँ पे टैमराइंड ग्रो कर सकता है ना तो अदर ट्रीज भी ग्रो कर सकते हैं. As soon as the monsoon arrived and while the river could still be crossed, we set out with a number of mango, laburnum, hibiscus and coral tree saplings and cutting and spent the better part of a day planting them on the little island. उन्होंने बोला as soon as the monsoon arrived and while river जो थी could be still be क्रॉस की जा सकती थी. हम लोग नंबर ऑफ मैंगो, लैब्रेनम, हिबिस्कस, कोरल ट्री की सैपलिंग्स और कटिंग्स लेके हम लोग पहुंच गए एंड स्पेंड द बेटर पार्ट ऑफ द डे हम लोगों ने उस छोटे आइलैंड पे प्लांट किया. एंड वी मेड वन मोर विजिट टू द आइलैंड और हमने आइलैंड पे एक और विजिट किया बिफोर द मॉनसून फाइनली सेट्स इन. एंड हमने देखा कि उसमें मोस्ट ऑफ द प्लांट्स बहुत हेल्दी लग रहे थे. ठीक है. The monsoon season is the best time for rambling about. A monsoon season best time था about rambling about and every turn there is something new to see and every turn कुछ ना कुछ नया था वहां देखने के लिए. And out of the earth and rock and leafless boughs the magic touch of the summer rain bring forth new life and verdure and you can almost see the broad leaved vines growing. Plants spring up in the most unlikely of places. A people took roots on the roof. Mangoes sprouted on the windowsill. My father and I did not want to remove them, but they had to go if the house was to be prevented from falling down. Monsoon season best time था घूमने फिरने का because on every turn you can see something new to see. And out of the earth and rocks, leafless boughs, magic touch होता था ना जो समर रेन का वो कुछ नई लाइफ और कुछ नया वीडियो और नई नई चीजें लेके आता था. that you can see and you can almost see broad leaved vines grow होते थे वहां पे. Plants spring up in the most unlikely of places. People जो था it took roots on the roof and a mango sprouted on the windowsill and my father and I did not want to remove them. और मेरे फादर और मैं उसे रिमूव करना नहीं चाहते थे but they had to go if the house was to be prevented from falling down. But हमें जाना था. I wanted to. मेरे father ने बोला that he had to remove it if the house was to be prevented. अगर घर को गिरने से बचाना है तो आपको वहां पे उनको कट तो करना पड़ेगा. But he says if you want to live in a tree, that's all right by me, said my mother. मेरी mother ने बोला but if you want to live in a tree, that's all right by me. मेरी mother ने बोला तुम रह लो उसमें, but I like having roof over my head. but मुझे तो मेरे घर के ऊपर छत ही पसंद है, मैं तो पेड़ में नहीं रह सकती, and I am not going to have it brought down by the hanging forest. और मैं किसी कीमत पे अलाउ नहीं करूंगी that a hanging forest should bring down the roof on my head. Already I can see roots breaking in through the ceiling. और already मैं देख रही हूँ that ceilings में से break करके the roots are coming inside. The visiting trees were carefully removed and transplanted in the garden, and whenever we came indoors from our gardening and sat down to a meal, a ladybird or a caterpillar would invariably walk off our sleeves and wander about the kitchen, much to the mother's annoyance. उन्होंने बोला और जितने visiting trees थे उन्हें बहुत ही carefully remove किया गया और transplant किया गया in the garden, and whenever हम लोग indoor आते थे from the gardening and we just sat down to a meal, एक ladybird or a caterpillar वो invariably it just walk off our sleeves and wander about the kitchen, and much to the mother's annoyance. और mother को बड़ा गुस्सा आता था उस चीज के लिए. There were flowers in the garden too, and my mother loved fragrant flowers like roses. So there were flowers in the garden too. My mother loved fragrant flowers like roses and sweet peas and jasmine and queen of the night. But my father and I found trees more exciting. They kept growing and changing and attracting the birds and other visitors. अब flowers भी बहुत थे garden के अंदर. And कोकी की जो grandmother है वो saying that my mother loved the fragrant flowers like roses, sweet peas, jasmine and the queen of night. But उन्होंने बोला my father and I were more exciting about the trees because trees kept on growing, changing and attracting the birds and the other visitors. Now they say the banyan trees really came to life during the monsoon, and the branches were thick with scarlet figs, and we couldn't eat the berries, but many birds that gathered in the trees, gossipy, rosy pasters, quarrelsome menas, cheerful bulbuls and the coppersmiths, and sometimes a noisy bullying crow would feast on them. And when night fell, when the birds were resting, the dark flying foxes flapped heavily about the tree, chewing and munching loudly as they clambered over the branches. And the banyan tree really life में आ गए during the monsoon, and the branches were thick with the scarlet figs. एंड उन्होंने बोला हम वो सारे बेरीज तो नहीं खा सकते थे, बट बहुत सारे बर्ड्स जो थे वो उस ट्री में गैदर होते थे. द ट्रीज लाइक द गॉसिपी पेस्टर्स, rosy pasters, quarrelsome menas, cheerful bulbuls and coppersmith and sometimes noisy bullying crow भी आ जाते थे. They all would feast on them. And they further say that when night fell, these birds were resting, and now the night creatures came, and who were the dark flying foxes? They flapped heavily about the trees, chewing and munching loudly as they clambered over the branches. Now, the tree crickets were a band of willing artists who would start singing at almost any time of the day. At the height of monsoon, the banyan tree was like an orchestra with the musicians constantly tuning up. A small fluid in my hand, I would add my shrill piping to that of the cricket and the cicadas, but they must have thought poorly of my piping because whenever I played, the insects fell silent. Now the tree crickets जो थे, they were a band of willing artists who would start singing at almost any time of the day. And at the height of monsoon, जो banyan tree था, it was like an orchestra with a musician, and it was constantly tuning up. एक small fluid था in my hand, it was like, and I would add my shrill piping to that of the crickets and the cicadas. They were also the creatures जो कहीं ना कुछ sound देते थे environment में, but they must have thought poorly of my piping because whenever I played, the insects fell silent. When I grew up, I was married and went to live with your grandfather. And grandmother says, जब मैं बड़ी हुई, मेरी शादी हुई, मैं आपके grandfather के साथ में रहने के लिए गई बॉम्बे. Bombay, it's the old name of present day Mumbai, and we were there for many years. I could only visit my parents here once or twice in all that time. I had no brothers, so when my parents died, they left the house to me. And it will be your one day. Would you rather live here or in that pokey little house in the town? नव कहती हम लोग यहाँ बहुत सालों के लिए रहे एंड आई कुड ओनली विजिट माय पेरेंट्स हियर वंस और ट्वाइस इन ऑल दैट टाइम एंड मेरे कोई ब्रदर्स नहीं थे सो व्हेन माय पेरेंट्स डाइड दे लेफ्ट द हाउस टू मी एंड इट विल बी योर्स वन डे एंड तो मुझे बताओ आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन फॉर यू दैट रादर यू वुड लाइक टू लिव हियर और इन दैट लिटिल वेरी टाइनी क्रैम्प्ड हाउस इन द टाउन. Here said Koki, but if you are here to Granny, now she is Koki कहती है यहीं पे रहूंगी, but only if you are here to Granny. The trees will be here, said Granny. Granny ने कहा मैं रहूं नहीं रहूं ये trees तो यही होंगी. And what about the island? और island का क्या हुआ? ये तो बताओ the island on which you and the grandfather, your father planted trees उसका क्या हुआ? अब उन्होंने बोला आस्क कोकी, कोकी ने क्वेश्चन किया एंड द ट्रीज यू प्लांटेड विद योर फादर आर दे स्टिल देयर, और ट्रीज जो आपके अपने फादर के साथ प्लांट किए थे क्या वो वहां है? You can see them for yourself if you feel like a walk, but I will tell you what I found when I came to live here again. After 20 years or more, I walked out of the old house and took the same path that my father and I used to take during our walks. उन्होंने बोला आप खुद देख सकती हो उसको इफ यू फील लाइक अ वॉक बट आई विल टेल यू व्हाट आई फाउंड जो मैंने देखा जो मैंने पाया व्हाट आई फाउंड वाज when I came to live here again after 20 years or more I walked out of the old house and took the same path that my father and I used to take during our walks and it was February I remember and as I looked across a dry riverbed my eyes were immediately caught by the spectacular red plumes of the coral blossoms. In contrast to a dry riverbed, the island was a small green paradise. So says it was February and मुझे याद है and as I looked across the dry riverbed, मेरी आंखें जो थी immediately caught by the spectacular red plumes of the coral blossoms and in contrast to the dry riverbed, the island बहुत ही छोटा सा small सा green paradise था. When I walked over to the trees, I noticed और जब मैं वहां से I moved from there and I noticed what? I noticed that the number of parrots had come to live in them. मैंने देखा number of parrots आ गए वहां पे रहने के लिए. A small spotted deer scrambled away to hide in a thickest and a wild peasant challenged me with the mellow who are you उन्होंने बोला मैंने देखा एक small spotted deer था वो scrambled away to hide in the thickest and एक wild सा peasant देखा मैंने एक long tail bird होती है that lives in the thick bushes I saw that and I saw that उस peasant ने मुझे challenge किया with a mellow एक mellow के साथ and what the mellow was that who are you but the trees seem to know me ऐसा लगा जैसे trees know me very well I am sure they whispered among themselves and beckoned me near और मुझे ऐसा लगा जैसे they whispered among themselves and they beckoned me near मुझे बुला रही है अपने पास में and I ran my hands over their barks and it was like touching the hands of old friends मैंने अपने हाथ से उस ब्रांच जो पेड़ था उसके ट्रंक को बार्क्स को मैंने सहलाया टच किया and it was just like touching the hands of old friends and looking around I noticed that other trees and wild plants and grasses had sprung up under the protection of those that we had planted there and मैंने नोटिस किया that all small trees, white plants और grasses भी sprung up हो गए हैं under the protection of those जिन्हें हमने वहां पे प्लांट किया है and the trees had multiplied पेड़ जो थे वो multiply हो गए थे in numbers the forest was on move and in one small corner of the world my father's dream was coming true and I felt मैं देख पा रही थी not only felt even I was seeing that in one small corner of the world मेरे father का जो dream है ना it was coming true and trees were walking again और ये जो trees थे they were walking again ये पेड़ वापस से walk करने लगे थे मुझे ऐसी feeling आ रही थी because we have planted few and it had grown too large बहुत सारे it had multiplied in numbers so it seems that the trees were walking again So it's by Ruskin Bond and it's a very beautiful story about the greener tomorrow and what we should understand from it. हमें क्या समझना है इस कहानी से? That we also should plant more and more trees rather कि हम सिर्फ कट करते जा रहे हैं, नया ग्रो नहीं कर रहे. It's ultimately it's going to harm us. So हमें क्या करना है? If we need trees for some or the other reason and we need to cut them, so it is our moral responsibility that if we cut, we should also plant them. More and more plantation of trees and plants should be done by us because ultimately at the end of the day, it's going to be beneficial for us. So this is all we can say for the chapter, and by this the chapter is complete. You go through it and I hope I have well explained to you and you have understood it well too. Okay, students. So this is all. Now we'll be meeting in our next class with a new topic, a new chapter. So this is all for the class and we'll be meeting in our next class. Till then, take care of yourself and see you.